Hello there, my beautiful besties, the Glam Crew. We are back at it with another nail. We're just going to do a little accent nail. We're doing 2 coats of this pretty cream color. There was a little something there, so we came in and grabbed it again. There was just something there, like something had got on the brush or something. And we're doing a second coat, and then I did come in and do a matte top coat on that, just to give it a nice matte look, because we want the Dragonfly to really stand out. And what we're doing now is creating his little body. And I think of this as my baby Dragonfly. He's so cute and precious. And as soon as I finished him, well, actually, as I was doing his wings, I thought, he looks like a little baby. So he's my baby Dragonfly. And I do want to say, I really have a connection to dragonflies that goes back several years to a moment when I was experiencing something magical and having a transformative experience. And we'll leave it there. And I really feel like dragonflies are my spirit animal. So when I saw one the other day with beautiful iridescent wings that resemble the ones I'm painting on our dragonfly's body right now, and that dragonfly body is just a pretty teal color from the Elite 99 collection. And I'm using that cream gel from modelones to make his little body. We're just cleaning up a little bit. And now we're using the black cream, solid cream gel to outline his wings. But I did see a dragonfly just a few days ago, and when I looked at him, his wings were like silvery iridescent awesomeness. And I thought, I need to make a dragonfly nail. And so that's what we're doing now. We are honoring my spirit animal, the dragonfly, with this beautiful baby dragonfly. We're going to come in because I'm the queen of cleanup. Cleanup queen, cleanup queen. Gonna fix that nail and make it sheen. I don't even know what that was. I apologize. But now we're just going to finish adding a little outline to this beautiful nail and to his little body. But just the top there. We're going to outline the top, and then we'll do something a little different in a second with the tail. You'll see. You'll see in a second. And I thought I was going to add something right now, but then I looked at it and I was like, oh, wow, could that be any more lame? So we are going to take it right back off. And honestly, I do normally just edit a bunch of that out. But when I was editing, I thought, just go ahead and show some of your mistakes, because it's really important for people to just see that it's okay to make mistakes, because I love it when I'm watching a nail artist and they just show that they're human, you know, because a lot of the nail art videos are so slickly edited, and there's nothing wrong with that. Please know I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, but it makes it look like everything is always perfect, and it's not. So it's okay to see that. It's okay to show that. And I don't show every single mistake, of course, because otherwise we would be here every video for an hour. So I do try to get rid of most of the junk, but it's okay to make mistakes. That's my whole point. It's okay. We're going to outline those second set of wings that I made there while I was yammering, as we do want to sort of give the impression that our dragonfly is just having a wonderful time flying through the sky. And then it's time to cure it. And then we are going to come in with some more of that black, and I'm just going to make some little lines to add the little sections, you know. And I'm sure this isn't exactly how dragonfly wings look. Of course not. This is my own personal baby dragonfly of fantasy love. I don't know what else to say. It's just my own little thing. And I'm trying my best to match it on the other side, but of course, you're only going to see a tiny bit of that, and I'm not good at matching. But apparently I can make weird robot voices really well. I make robot voices. And we're coming in to just add those little lines, fixed a little outline, and now we're going to have some fun with this clear green pink glitter gel from Model Ones, and everything will be listed in the description box. One day I'll hook up something with Amazon to make a little store to put all the stuff in so you guys can buy them easily, and hopefully if I can make it, I think that they let you do affiliate links there, so that way we could support the channel while buying cool things at a cheap price. Although, don't even get me started on Amazon. So now I added something there that I realized was way too tall and I didn't like it. So after I fix this little side, we are going to come in with my wonderful cleanup brush and remove it, because I was like, heck no, that's fugly. Heck no. And then we're going to come in and do that on the other sides. So if you're watching this video on the day it comes up, this is the Monday video. I hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. I know everything in the world is upside down and topsy-turvy right now, so I hope that you are doing your best to keep your own life a little less than topsy-turvy. I know it's crazy out there. If you just need some more crazy or non-crazy content, I'm sure there's going to be lots of videos popping up. Please go watch another one and just enjoy nail art. Whether it's mine or somebody else's, whatever you need to do to make yourself feel amazing today, please take the time to do that, because more of us feeling amazing is what's going to make this world a better place. Because when you really feel amazing, you want other people to feel that too. So let's spread as much amazing into the world today as we can, because honestly, we need it. We really, really need some amazing. Now I am going in and adding those little points like I tried to do before, and because I realized I just needed a little more polish to make it look, paint rather, to make it look sharp. And here we are coming back in with my magic cleanup brush. And I'm going to just take a tiny bit and run it underneath. The body I did at the top, I just decided to do the underneath on the tail, as I just thought it added some visual interest to our little dragonfly. And fixed his antennas up a little bit, and now we're coming in with a little top coat, only on the dragonfly. We are going to leave the rest of the nail matte, because that gives our dragonfly the best chance to really shine. That glitter and iridescent gel, just making those amazing wings sing. I just absolutely could not be more happy with how these wings came out. Please let me know in the comment section below if you agree or disagree with that, because you know I want to hear about it. Here's our finished baby dragonfly. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you Wednesday for another nail art video. Mwah! You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.